Today me sharing with you how me make this oats porridge. So here I have 3 cups of water in my pot. I add cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Here me peeling a ripe plantain because this one is different. So I add the ripe plantain to the blender. Here I cut a can of coconut milk. I'm going to add it to the blender also. Now I'm going to start blend it. Now open and add the oats. Now I add nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder and vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add it to the pot. Soon as I add it to the pot, I whisk it so it come thick without no lump. So here I add 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel. Going to whisk it also just to loosen up the sea moss gel. Here I'm going to sweeten with some brown sugar, some condensed milk. So I want to mix it properly. Now I'm going to serve myself a bowl. Look how nice and creamy this is, my people. Here I'm going to grate with some fresh nutmeg on it. Here me having it with some crackers. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel.